AI training engine results your personalized training plan based on your resume of a professional with 9 years experience and current skills of SQL, Python, cloud platforms, and automation frameworks. Here are the target job analysis based on the job description that was provided. A senior associate application development requires Python, R, Java, Scala, SQL, cloud platforms, Kafka, Informatica. So there are some basic skill gaps to address, such as Scala, Kafka, and Informatica. So here is the detailed training module plan for 8 weeks to get you up to speed for this position. Week 1, 40 hours would require a deep dive into Scala for developing a robust application with a focus on functional programming and concurrency. Understand the Scala syntax and semantics, apply functional programming principles, and handle concurrency in Scala applications. All right, so here are your learning activities. Do documentation reading. Study the official documentation to understand the language's core concepts. Then you'll visit the documentation site, focus on syntax and functional programming sections, and take notes on key concepts. Here's a practical exercise for functional programming in Scala. 10 hours. You'll implement functional programming diagrams in Scala. Here's a step-by-step instructions. Create a Scala application that uses higher order functions. Implement immutability and data structures like lists and maps. Then you'll test concurrency using Scala futures and promise. So the expected outcome will be functional application with concurrency handling. All right, week 2, event-driven architecture with Kafka. You'll master Kafka for building scalable event-driven applications. You'll learn Kafka architecture and components. Implement producer consumer messaging. Build stream processing applications. Then the learning activities and practical exercise will include access to the Apache Kafka official documentation, study the architecture and installation sections, and summarize key points. You'll build a Kafka producer consumer. Develop that setup using Kafka. Set up a local Kafka instance. Create a producer that sends messages. Develop a consumer that processes messages. Week 3, you'll explore Informatica for managing and integrating data efficiency. Here are some learning objectives. Understand the Informatica tools and architecture. Implement ETL processes. Ensure data quality and integration. Then you'll learn activities. Your learning activities and practical exercises will include reviewing Informatica's official guides, focus on ETL and data quality sections, note key tools and functionalities. Then you'll go on to set up an Informatica environment, design an ETL process for a given data set, test data, transformations, and quality checks. All right, here's a practice project, banking application development. Estimated to be 20 hours. Study schedule, your weekly commitment is 15 hours per week. Milestones, coaching tips, and your success metrics. Once you're successful, the job readiness score will be 80%. Interview readiness higher after project completion. All right, you can create another or view processing details.